In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Google Tag Manager in Circle.so Paywall. This insightful guide will walk you through each step to ensure your implementation is successful and hassle-free. Whether you're new to Google Tag Manager or a seasoned pro, this tutorial will make the process feel approachable and straightforward. To begin, you'll need to gather the snippets from Google Tag Manager. Start by navigating to your Google Tag Manager account, and within the Click workspace, find the option to install Google Tag Manager. Here, you'll copy the container snippets, which include two key pieces of code, one for the head and another for the body. Next, head over to your Circle.so admin account and log in. This platform is where you'll integrate these snippets, so having your credentials handy will speed up the process. Once logged in, click on your profile photo, which you'll find in the top right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then proceed to the Custom Code section. Once you're in the Custom Code section, you'll need to scroll down until you find the area designated for the header code. This is where you'll paste the head snippet from Google Tag Manager. It's essential to place this code in the header section as it ensures proper loading and functionality across your Circle.so site. After you've successfully pasted the head snippet, the next step is to locate the area for the body code snippet. While you're still in the custom code section, scroll further down to the body or footer area if available. Integrating the body snippet here is crucial for capturing data correctly. Now, to ensure everything is configured correctly, it's important to verify your Google Tag Manager setup. Return to the Google Tag Manager interface and click on Preview. This function allows you to enter your Circle.so site URL. Click Start to execute the preview mode, which verifies if Google Tag Manager is actively reporting. Finally, navigate back to your Circle.so Paywall site. Here, you should confirm that the Google Tag Manager is firing correctly. Look for any real-time data that demonstrates the tags are operational and collecting data as expected. This step reassures you that the integration has been properly set up and your site is correctly communicating with Google Tag Manager. By following these steps, you'll have successfully implemented Google Tag Manager into your Circle.so Paywall, allowing you to track user behavior and enhance your analytics strategy. If you encounter any issues, check each section to ensure that the snippets are placed correctly and your site URL is accurate when previewing. With everything set up, you're now ready to take full advantage of the powerful tracking capabilities that Google Tag Manager offers. Thanks for watching and happy tagging!